Children, we can do 4 operations with money. Means we can add, we can subtract, we can multiply and we can divide the money. Let us see how to add and subtract the money. Like normal additions and subtractions only. There is no change. But we have to keep the point. That is only the difference between money additions and subtractions and normal additions and subtractions. Already we know how to add and how to subtract. When you are adding or subtracting, we have to start from ones place and we have to go to last place. Okay. Now, what is this amount? 762 rupees 80 paise. And what is this amount? 148 rupees 35 paise. What operation we have to do? Here we are seeing plus symbol. Means we have to do addition. Like normal additions only. First add ones place. 0 plus 5. How much? 5. 0 plus 5. 5. If you add 0 to a number or number to a 0, we get number itself as the answer. Now add tens place. 8 plus 3. How much? 8 plus 3? 11. Normal additions, if you get carry, where we are writing the carry? Carry we are writing in next place. Here also same. If you get the carry, don't think about this point. Here is the point now. Whether we have to write the carry in next place or not. Don't think like that. Like normal additions only. If you get the carry write in next place. Now 8 plus 3, 11. In 11 what is the carry? 1. Carry 1, write in next place. 1 write in the same place. If you get carry like normal additions only, you have to write the carry next place. Now 8 plus 3, 11. Now here we are seeing a point, right? Here is the point. So you also keep the point. This is very, very important. You should not leave this point. You have to keep the point. This is the difference between normal additions and money additions. Don't forget to keep a point. Compulsory, you have to keep a point. This point only separating the rupees and pies. If you not keep this point, this total amount becomes only the rupees. Total amount becomes only the rupees. Because of that, compulsory you have to keep a point. 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 3, 11. Carry right next place. 1 right in the same place. And here we are seeing a point. See, all these points should come one below the other. See, here is the point. This point below we are seeing another point. And this point below we have to keep another one more point. All these points should come one below the other. Now, add 2 plus 8, how much? 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Carry is there, right in next place. 1 right in same place. Now, 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1, 10 plus 1, 11. Carry right in next place, 1 right in the same place. Now, 7 plus 1, how much? 8 plus 1, 9. Completed. Here is no another place. Now, which symbol we are seeing here? Rupees symbol. So, you also keep rupees symbol. Now, what is the amount? 911 rupees 50 pies. Don't forget to keep this point. This is very, very important. Now, see the subtraction. What is the amount? 956 rupees. Here, what is the amount? 737 rupees 50 pies. Okay, what operation you are seeing here? Minus means what we have to do? Subtraction. This subtraction also like normal subtraction only, but don't forget to keep the point. Now, in subtraction we know first we have to subtract the ones place. Subtract ones place. 0 minus 0, 0. Now, take 0 fingers and take away 5 fingers. Is it possible? Not possible. Now, we have to borrow from next place. I am telling again, don't think about this point. Don't think about this point. Okay. Now, borrow from next place. What is the amount here? Here, if you observe, 6. So, now we have to take borrow from 6. 6 becomes 5 and this 0 becomes 10. Now, subtract 10 minus 5, 5. a point. So we have to keep a point. All these 3 points should come one below the other. Now take 5 and take away 7. Is it possible? Not possible. So borrow from next place. 5 becomes 4. This 5 is taking us, so 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 7. How much? 8. Now take 4, take away 3. Yes, 1. Now take 9, take away 7. How much? 2. So what is the answer? 218 rupees 50 pice. Like normal subtraction only, Amma. But we have to keep point. This is only the difference between money subtraction and the normal subtraction.